Hi, welcome back. Hello, students and professionals. A quick important tip. I think if you're aware of this, that is fine. Okay. What is the topic today? How to delete spool request from history in SAP ECC or S4 HANA. Okay. Both systems, the same solution, no issues. So let's try to check on SAP system. Okay. Let me try to log in. So let me try to check on SAP system. Okay, so welcome back. So SP01 is a transaction. You're aware of this, right? For a spool request to generate. So, like on a particular day, any old backlogs are there, you got a support ticket from anybody. Okay, like certain date or certain specific spool request, you're supposed to delete it. And specifically to based on the user, you have to take the email confirmation. Okay, this is generally happens on global support with like what I would say with users. But if you don't take mail confirmation, it will be big problem for you. Like these are waiting, maybe XYZ reason, output already generated, they asked you, they don't have access. So probably you can able to delete it. For example, so I'm deleting these ones, simple spool request. Okay, do you really want to delete spool request? Yes, delete all. Let's click. So whatever the selection I made, I can do it. Okay. Let's select all. If I want, I can able to delete all requests. Okay. So refresh it. Nothing is there. This is how you can able to delete it. So who knows what kind of tickets you will get and global support. Okay. So this is the simple video. You can able to give it a try. And if you're not yet subscribed, you can subscribe my channel. Currently, I'm holding 700 and plus videos. Okay. So this is my Udemy channel. I'm currently holding 20 plus courses in that, 108 hours specifically talks about my sales and distribution. This is one of my top course, and along with that, getting master right functional specification. I'm just providing these links below the video. I need that explain again and again. You go through one by one. It is very important. I have one specific course, advanced payments, based on my real-time experience. You can try all these real-time courses, and support actions also I have shown here. So if you're SD consultant, this is like, knowledge fruit basket. You can give it a try. Okay, thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Have a great day. Jai Bharat. Welcome back. Let's catch up in next session.